The pothos vine, also known as devil's ivy or money plant, is very easy to take care of and looks great year-round. It's especially good as a hanging plant placed in high spots. Keep in mind, the pothos vine may be poisonous to pets. Keep them out of reach if you have pets or crawling babies. Pothos is especially beneficial indoors. It cleans the air more than most other plants. It absorbs harmful gases that may come off of wall paint, furniture polish, and other synthetic materials. If you or a friend has a pothos vine, you can easily propagate it and add some beauty to your house, breathe cleaner air, or give it away to loved ones. Grab a stalk and cut off a piece with at least 4 or 5 leaves on it. It can be even longer if you like. The best place to make the cut is right after a leaf. Here you can see where I made a cut before, and you see that the pothos continue to grow just fine. Then we take the piece we cut off and make cuts by each leaf so that there's about 1 centimeter or 1/3 of an inch of stalk on each side. Most people assume the tips of stalks would be used for propagation, but actually leaves with just a bit of stalk work much better. After we prepare each leaf like that, we put them in a cup of water so that the stalks are underwater, and we wait for about 3 weeks. The stalks need water and oxygen to root. Tap water has oxygen, but as it sits around, the oxygen evaporates. Replace the water every few days. That way, you would get healthier roots more quickly. Also, roots prefer higher temperatures over light. If areas right by windows may be cooler or drafty, don't put these there. They don't need direct light. Warmer temperature is more important. Most leaves have rooted. I had a stalk end in the cup too, but even under the same conditions, that one did not root. I'll continue to keep it in water. Maybe it needs more time. Most of these are ready to be planted in soil. I make a small hole in the dirt, gently place the root in it, and carefully cover it with soil. Don't bury the stalks deep. They should be just near the top. It would actually be best if you could have one end of the stalk under the soil and the other end above. You can plant the cuttings more densely than this. It wouldn't be a problem. In fact, it would look better. We give them some water and compact the soil a little bit, and our new pothos plants are ready. I hope you too will try this out and add more green to your life. Good luck. FYI, pothos is considered invasive in tropical areas. If you happen to live in a tropical place, do not plant pothos outdoors.